What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's Rackay here again. You're at home and you're bored, and maybe your hair is like terrible. You're having a bad hair day like each and every day. I'm here to give you an easy style. You don't have to braid. You don't have to do cornrows. It's very easy. We're going to actually do fox. You're going to need a little braiding. I need a little skill of braiding, like the normal braids, the braids you do when you're going to sleep every tutua. That's the only skill you're going to need. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Today I hope you can see the hairstyle. It's very easy. I decided to do the middle part, but it didn't look that nice on me, so I decided to do the side part. The line is not that defined. I thought it's so hard to like plait yourself and draw lines, but yeah, you can do this hairstyle on your own because it's the easiest I could find for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you can do it yourself next time. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. I don't know when because it's hard to post and film these days. I know it's quarantine. I have a lot of time on my hands, but subscribe. I forgot to tell you to subscribe. Subscribe, like the video if you liked it. Comment down below. Tell me what hairstyle you want me to do for you next time. Tell me if you liked this video or the hairstyle I did. If you didn't like it, you can also comment in the comment section below. And what else did I want to say? Yeah, I have a hairline called Rackay. I do wigs, braided wigs. I do closures. I do a variety of wigs, a lot of them. So if you want a wig, I'm going to leave my contact in the description box so that you check it out. You can call me if you want a wig. I know it's a hard time right now. People are using their money to buy food. But yeah, when we're out of quarantine, you can as well call me if you want a wig. And for the next video, you can recommend for me any hairstyle you want me to do for you next time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Next video. Thank you so much. May God bless you and keep you safe. Yeah, keep you alive during this quarantine. Bye. Subscribe guys. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow the family. Yeah guys, at least by the time we will leave quarantine, let us have like 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Bye.